Yes, hey guys, sometimes our clients also brings problem to us, and they're not problems, but they're like it becomes difficult for us. So like the way you see this hairline, when your client comes and be like, I want braids, and sometimes we do advise that maybe it wouldn't be the perfect hair for you or because of the hairline, and maybe we can do something else. And those ones who be like, this is what I want. So it's except you as a hairdresser to try to be creative to see that maybe now if that is the choice, let's try to do something from it. And then the question is, how are you going to do it, and how is it going to stay protected? So I got my client here and she had weak hairline. In fact, the front was all broken. And she wanted the knotless braids. And still, after wanting the knotless braid, her hair was very, very weak. So what I did, I tried this method. I know by watching, you may think that it is painful because this is the method that we have been doing all along, like from the first very press, this one with a knot. But I realized it can also do a good work. Yeah, according to this hair, if you don't do the knotless, that you do it, but you start with a small, with a small, with a small hair piece, with a small braid. As you're doing the knot, you start with a small hair piece so that and when you do it at the same way how we add the knotless braids. Yes, I told you that I always do the research and I come out with something that at least I believe that can do something very, very good. So I would do the knotless braid. I would do it. It says remains fine, but I decided to do this. The knot is showing, but still it doesn't show like the normal knot that we have been doing. And if you try to see here, be seen like maybe I'm doing it very tight or it is painful, but it is not, just because the hair that I start with is the volume is little, and still I continue using the other method of the knotless so that I'm protecting my hair and I'm protecting the painfulness, because those are the two things that maybe we would not want our clients to feel. So this is my method. This is my method. You can also try it out and see how it is going to do for you. I did this in that when she's trying to do it free, because we all know when it comes to knotless braids, sometimes for them they look, if they're not packed, when you're trying to leave them free, they be like they be down, like they can't they can be with that volume of saying maybe they how can I explain it, they can be the volumes, when you look at them, they can be with a volume that looks looks that is too packed, because it's always down. And since it's the knotless, down here, like from the starting, it's what will bring it to look like it is packed. You understand, when you see when after from down. But now this method, the braid creates its own volume, since it is, and that this knot is down just like this. You may think it's painful, but it's not at all, just because I've applied my molding gel, and after collecting the hair together, I'm trying to plait it that way. You see, I always leave that a quarter inch
for the flexibility of my hair. You understand? So, and then when I'm plaiting, this is how I just keep on continuing like these other normal knotless doing. Yes, but this method is somehow it makes it to be like it is up, it is standing. You understand? Yes, it is make it look like it is standing than the knotless braid, because the knotless braid is always like it's down. You understand? Because of that knot from the starting. But this one has got the knot. The other one has the knotless, so it cannot stand. But it's always down. But this one, it has got that knot. So they're all good method, though someone might think this one is painful just because it's what we started with from like those days. We'll be doing this method before the knotless coming. Yes, this was the method that we're using, but I told you we need to be creative, so it's just to upgrade something. You upgrade something that is bad and you get something that is good from it. So try it out and tell me if you would love to also to do this kind of method, and maybe and the mixing of colors. Just blend your colors the way you want, and trust me, you'll get something that is good. Yes, my name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master on my personal account, that is Instagram. You can go and follow me up. And those ones who would like to follow Hair Zipper, it's Hair Zipper, Facebook, Hair Zipper, Twitter, Hair Zipper, Instagram. Yes, you can go there and follow it up so that you can see all those pictures of these kind of hairstyle. Yes, because I always post pictures there for different hair types. You can go and also see them. And I have another idea. I had people asking me that they would like to know how to use maybe the crochet, how to unplait the extended threads. Yes, and others. There's still a lot of things I realized people would want to learn. Yes, and for that it is going to be on the other hand, yes, when I'll be coming live, then I tell you something that you need to know. Like always, like you will be telling me the topics that we can be discussing about, so that we discuss it with you, whether it's on how to start a salon, on what hair you're supposed to be plaiting with, the kind of the type of hair that you're having, so that we shall keep our hair healthy. So for now, guys, let me sign out, but I would like you to watch this up to the end so that you see what I was trying to tell you about. Yes, bye bye. Let me see you in my next video.